You don't need to be an artist or a designer to make super cute stickers. I'm going to show you how you can make stickers just like these and more. Now, to make stickers like these, you might need a computer or a laptop, maybe a color printer, or even some colored pencils or markers. If you've got a cutting machine, that's great. Otherwise, you can use scissors or a craft knife. So really, you hardly need anything. Let's get started. Most of us have a free Canva account. Otherwise, I'll link it below. But we can use basic shapes like circles or squares and different colors to be able to create super cute stickers like this kawaii style apple. So you can see here, all I'm doing is using a simple shape, changing the size, changing the color. We can add some cute kawaii touches like the little white circles in the eyes and the cute little kawaii blushy cheeks. And you can see how simple it is to create a really cute design just from these basic shapes. And I'm using all of the free options. So if you have a Canva Pro account, you'll find way more designs, but I wanted to show you how you can use the free ones. Now, if you don't really want to go to the trouble of creating your own, how about just going into the graphics section in Canva, typing in kawaii and seeing what it comes up with? So you could type in kawaii fruit or kawaii frog or kawaii toadstool and come up with some really, really sweet kawaii designs. Now, if you get the magic recommendations option, then you can click on there, and some of the designers in Canva have created multiple different variations of the same kawaii character and other designs. But how cute are these? I just love these little penguins. They are the best. Now, I saved them. I downloaded them as a PNG and then I uploaded them into Cricut because I'm going to add a white offset in there and then cut them out with my Cricut. But if you don't have a Cricut or a cutting machine, you can just print them off, maybe save them as a JPEG or a PDF, print them off and then hand cut them as before with scissors. If you need any help with printing or cutting stickers with a Silhouette or a Cricut, then make sure you check out my other videos on the channel. But in this one, I wanted to show you a quicker way of how you could make stickers, maybe even if you don't have the equipment. Now, if you want to give drawing a go, and I will never claim to be very good, but I really do enjoy drawing, you can recreate the same kind of design yourself with just those basic shapes and lines again. So I'm hand drawing my apple with a pencil and then I'm going to colour it in with coloured pencils and just add really minimal shading because, did I mention, I'm not that good. My husband is, not so much me. So a really simple apple kawaii with those same cute little eyes and cheeks. And then with this one, where you could draw this directly onto white sticker paper so it's already sticky and then cut around the outside edge. I just drew this on normal copy paper because that maybe is all you've got at home. Maybe it's a scrap of copy paper that you want to use up. So if that's the case, you can then cut around it because I do quite like having that white border still around the outside with my stickers. And then I'm using clear sticker paper here, but if you just have normal clear tape, you can absolutely just use that over the top. Or you can glue it or add something to the back to make it a sticker. With the clear sticker paper, what I'm doing is just flattening it over the top and making sure I'm rubbing out any air bubbles. And then I'm going to cut around using quite a decent length distance to be able to create that sticky edge around the outside. Now, even if I've drawn this directly onto white sticker paper, I maybe would still add clear paper on top just to give it that extra kind of laminated effect and make it really durable. And when you've finished cutting around the outside edge of the sticker, we can peel it off and decide where you're going to stick it. So I've grabbed my little notebook and I'm going to stick it on the back here because it needs something. It's very boring right now. You can stick this on a laptop. It could be a gift. It could be to decorate your planner. Absolutely anything. How simple was that though? Maybe it's a drawing that you have hand drawn. Maybe it's something your kids have done. Have you watched my video yet on where I created stickers out of real leaves? Because that is just the most fun ever. I've linked it below. Now, if you do have designs that you haven't drawn yourself, but you've maybe purchased or got from somebody else, you can make stickers out of those too. You don't need to be an artist. So these kawaii designs are available in my Secret Sticker Society membership. I'll just link to that below. But with these in Cricut again, or you can do the same in Silhouette or Canva, I added some text, I added the white border, and I made these really cute stickers out of kawaii clip art too. So I hope you've been able to see that you don't need to be an artist. You can just use all kinds of different things to make super cute stickers. And I hope you're feeling inspired. I can't wait to see your stickers. Make sure you share them with me. You can tag me at Instagram at Jenkinson. And remember, I'm going to link to a few of those resources that I mentioned below so that you can go ahead and make your own cute stickers too.